Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open a Westpac account. To open up a Westpac account, first of all, open your App Store or your Play Store and download the Westpac application on your device. Once you've done it, tap open the Westpac app and you will come across this interface. To create a new account, select Register for online banking at the bottom. This will now pop open the registration form. You can start your registration by entering a card number or customer ID. Choose any one option and enter your credential. You will need to either enter your card number or your customer ID in the first text box and then type in your first name on the next field. Also make sure to provide your last name and then your date of birth information. After you are done, click Continue. Make sure to complete the online form and provide identification document during the process, and once you verify your identity, you will be able to open up a new online banking account for Westpac. That is how you should be able to sign up for Westpac account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.